on it, you can boat on it, you can stop on the shore, have your lunch and swim if you want, whatever.
You know where is the White Pine Cove?
Олег, Олег,
We've been there a number of times. I
ну
know that
улыбнись.
area. Собака бежит.
Это все?
Ready?
This, it's starting to get deep as we go now.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
Like right in front of it, probably 60 feet.
Oh.
Now there was a fire over there. That's why it's like that. Somebody didn't look after their campfire.
So there is both smallmouth and largemouth.
I believe so, yeah. Definitely the bass are here. The real nice thing about this is nobody's going to build here. Never.